How to log in Trust Wallet account online. So first, you just have to go to any web browser, or if you're using your Android, you just have to download Trust Wallet, and this is what it looks like. Now, here's the thing. Once you have downloaded and installed the application, you just have to open Trust Wallet and tap on Create a New Wallet. So you have two options. You have to click this Create New Wallet or Add Existing Wallet. So once you have created your wallet, this is what it looks like. Actually, you have main wallet one, two, or if you want to create another wallet, I'm going to show you that later. So this is what it looks like. You can now start to send, receive, buy, sell, and tap this history option right here and explore some of the features of Trust Wallet. Now, if you want to create a new wallet or if you want to change your wallet from wallet 2 or main wallet 2 to main wallet 1, all you have to do is to click this main wallet below the search icon or search more. And then here you will see main wallet 1, main wallet 2. So you have to tap this main wallet 1 if you want to change your main wallet from main wallet 2 to main wallet 1. If you want to create a new one, just tap this plus button at the top right corner and you can now create another wallet. So right now I have changed from main wallet 2 to main wallet 1. And as you can see, it has the same features. Okay, so if you tap the plus icon, you will see here connect wallet to. You can create new wallet or add existing wallet. So let us just say you want to add existing wallet. So once you tap this one, you will see here options. So we have here secret phrase, Swift, Google Drive backup, and view only wallet. So it's up to you. Either of this you want to tap in order for you to add an existing wallet here and Trust Wallet. Now, if you tap this create your wallet, they will ask first a backup or backup to Google Drive, and then you can now create your new wallet. And the next step is you will just receive your 12-word recovery phrase, and then you can start right away. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.